Hey everyone, today I'm sharing some skincare products and routines that have actually worked for me. Whether you are dealing with sun exposure, ingrown hairs, or just trying to keep your skin glowing, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Now, body tanning is a major issue because most of us do apply sunscreen on our face but somehow neglect our body, and that is not how it's supposed to be. So, make sure you apply a good sunscreen lotion. I have the WishCare Sunscreen Body Lotion. This has been a lifesaver for preventing body tan. With SPF rating of 50 and PA rating of 3 pluses, it offers serious protection, and the niacinamide in it helps brighten my skin while keeping it safe from the sun's harsh rays. What I love the most is how lightweight and non-greasy it feels. Whether I'm out for just a few minutes or spending hours in the sun, I don't feel sticky or weighed down. Plus, it's super easy to reapply. Next up, for my face, I've been using this simple DIY oatmeal face mask since decades now. It's perfect for soothing irritated and inflamed skin, especially after a long day out. While oatmeal has calming properties, honey has a lot of healing properties. So this mask is a go-to whenever my skin feels a little sensitive or needs a reset. Speaking of resets, I can't stress enough how important exfoliation is. I use this exfoliating scrub regularly to prevent ingrown hair, especially before shaving. My current favorite is this one. I love it, and it keeps my skin smooth and bump free. One small but effective tip I swear by is using deodorant right after my shower. Doing this helps lock in the freshness and it lasts so much longer throughout the day. And this Dove one is my current favorite. Lastly, when I'm using any harsh actives like tretinoin or retinol, I always apply it using the sandwich method. This means applying a layer of moisturizer before and after the retinol so my skin stays protected while still getting the benefits of the treatment. So yeah, these are the skincare tips and products that have truly worked for me. If you are looking for ways to prevent tan, exfoliate, or just keep your skin healthy, I highly recommend giving these a try. Let me know your thoughts in the comments if you have tried any of these, and of course, don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in my next video.